In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to swap out the triggers, just the plastic parts, the plastic triggers specifically on an Xbox 360. It's really simple. I had one trigger that dog chewed on or something. So you just slide that white bit down that pulls it, and then you can pull the trigger back, pull it all the way back. It'll pop off, and then you can get the spring out as well. You got to make sure that you're swapping rights for rights and lefts for lefts, because they do only go on one way. And I had a right trigger that was just chewed up. So you pop off the white piece right there, the little white arm, and then you pull back the trigger. Be careful though, you don't want to snap anything. There's a little white piece on that left side that you have to get past. Then you can pull the spring out, slide off the trigger just to the left or to the right if you're changing the left side. And then you can put the spring back on. There's just a little tab thing that it slides into. And then you have to slide the trigger on these two little white arms. You have to, it's kind of finicky, but you can get it. Once you get it on there, you just slide it on. And then you got to make sure that that spring goes into that little white notch right there. So I just used my tweezers, I aligned it, and then you're able to pull the trigger. Got to pull it past that white piece on the left. And then once you've got it in place, you've got to get the white arm back up and then snap it onto the trigger itself. And then once you do that, you're good to go. And it works just like that. So I tested this controller to make sure that it works. And you can see the trigger got chewed up by hopefully a dog. Maybe somebody got gamer rage while they were playing and just started eating it like a psycho. I don't know. Anyway, after I got the triggers back together, I put the controller back together, zipped it up, and then go test it. I always make sure that I test my controllers before I sell them, because I don't want to buy anything that's broken. I definitely don't want to sell anything to anybody that's broken. So I just want to make sure everything works. So I'll play a couple hours with the controllers, and if everything checks out, then I will go ahead and just sell them. So yeah, all the buttons worked, everything clicked, and it was just time to go test the triggers to make sure that the triggers worked that I swapped out. And where I didn't have to change any mechanical parts or anything, it was just the trigger itself. Made it nice. So I was able to do that, and then we are testing it out here on Call of Duty Black Ops. And just making sure everything works. Both thumbsticks were working, triggers working. Yeah, all the buttons worked. Real simple, real easy. I like testing 360 controllers specifically on Call of Duty because every button is mapped to something. Even the D-pad, you can have kill streaks and stuff mapped to it. Every button does something, so it's really nice, really easy to just test all the buttons, make sure it works. Because I don't know if there's a program on the internet. Maybe there is, I just haven't found one. And maybe you guys can tell me if there is one, but I haven't really found a program to test 360 controllers. Whereas Gamepad Tester, I can do all modern controllers and test it all out real easy. So as I was testing out this controller, I noticed that the right bumper was not clicking very good at all. You can see right there. So what I'm going to be doing in another video is showing you how to swap out bumpers. They have to be desoldered, and then you have to solder new ones on there. Well, the trigger works. I was able to replace the trigger. Trigger works. But this right bumper's not clicking very good. So it's nothing too crazy. It's pretty easy. Anybody can do that too. But that's what happens. You buy stuff, you fix one thing on it, and then you realize that there's other stuff that needs fixed on it. So I wasn't real happy with how the bumper was working. So that will be something that I fix in a later video.